Namaste, welcome to the channel Teacher Education Simplified. This video about a MOOC course that I have developed called Cyber Smart Teacher. I'm going to introduce this course in this video. This course will be starting from 25th October to 25th April of 2024. This course is available on canvasinstructor.com site and the course code is this. I am giving the link of this course in the description along with the course code. So we have developed this course under Tilak College of Education, Pune, India, and I am going to give you a short features of this course. You will get the certificate after the completion of the course by Tilak College of Education, Pune, India. I have developed course myself, Dr. Surejji Isave, faculty at Tilak College of Education. The course term is starting from 25th October 23 to 25th of April 2024. Entry registration anytime before 21st of April 2024 and exit, that is certification, anytime after the completion of all credits and tests. It means you can take your admission anytime between the given duration and you can complete your 32 hours and 4 tests and you will be eligible to get the certificate, and then you can exit from the course. So the structure of the course is very flexible. The duration is 32 hours which can be completed at the student's convenience. You can complete the 32 hours anytime from these months. So you have ample of time to complete your 32 hours anytime before 25th of April 2024. There are 2 credits of it. There are 3 modules included. Eligibility: any graduate from any country can register themselves for the course. Especially the teachers from different backgrounds and the student teachers of B.Ed. M.Ed. courses can register for this course. The medium of the instruction and examination is English. Schedule is flexible. You can access the course material, the modules, from anywhere, anytime. You just need to complete 32 hours from the given duration. The individualized learning approach is accepted, self-paced. You can log in anytime and you can complete the course anytime, whenever, as per your convenience, as per your space. So you don't have to wait for the others to complete their course or their term. You can start any point and you can complete the course anytime. Micro learning has been adopted for the course. There are 3 modules and each module can be done anytime. So these 3 modules are in a micro learning approach. You just learn one module, you will give the examination and you will qualify that module. So micro learning approach has been adopted for the course. Learning materials available in the form of videos, ebooks, and some websites and some online meetings will be arranged. Transaction mode is online and asynchronous and synchronous. Both modes will be used. There are videos, YouTube videos are uploaded, some PDF files are uploaded already. You can access it as you can access. It is called asynchronous. In a synchronous mode, we will have some meetings during the courses where we do have interactions. We do have some course related interaction, that is called synchronous, maybe on Zoom meeting or Google Meet. Assessment: there are 2 types of assessment for the course. Is formative, it will be objective type test, and summative, that will be descriptive type. In descriptive, you have to type a few answers of the questions. This is how the overview is. The syllabus of this Cyber Smart Teacher course is module 1 is about integration of cyber smartness in education. These are the points of it. The module material will be available from 25th of October 23 to the last date of the course, that is 25th of April 2023. 10 hours are expected to watch this material, and after the material you will get the examination. The first test will be available from 4th of November 23 to the 25th of April 2024. It means the test will be available from 4th of November and you can solve any time before the course concludes. So you will have ample of time. You can access this material anytime and you can give test anytime. There is no sequence for it, specific sequence for you can access any module anytime after the publication of the module. Second module is about cyber smartness and social media. These are the sub points. The module will be available from 6th of November till the last date of the course, and the formative assessment, that is the test, MCQ test, will be available from 11th of November 2023 onward, the last date of the conclusion of the course. And the third module is cyber smartness on educational platform. These are the sub modules, the sub units of this module. It will available from 13th of November 23 to the last date of the course. And again there will be formative assessment, MCQ test, that will be available from 18th of November 2023. And at the end of all three modules there will be a summative test, descriptive test, will having the 2 hours questions. You will have to type these answers of the whatever question is asked on the platform, and this will be starting from 25th of November 23 to last date of the completion of the course. If you see logically, someone is joining the course from very first day, they can access this material from this date, and at the end who want to complete their course fastest, they can complete the fastest course till 25th of November, because the last test, the summative test, will be available from 25th of November. So on this day if you complete this course, you can get the certificate of the course. Let us see how the evaluation plan of the Cyber Smart Teacher 23-24. Module 1 will having one test of 20 MCQs, module 2 also same 20 MCQs, and module 3 the dates are given. Qualifying criteria is 50%. You must get the 50% in each MCQ to get the certificate. Summative also same. There will be 60 minutes and 40 marks, and 2 questions will be there. You will have to type the questions of this answer in that Canvas platform itself, and you need to have the 50% of mark to be eligible, get the certificates by Tilak College of Education. So overall 100 marks, and you must achieve at least 50% mark in all those tests. So once you completed all the tests, you completed all the modules, you will get the certificate after completing this last test. So there are 4 tests in all, 3 MCQs based on each module, and 4th will be based on all the modules, and there will be 2 questions. This is how the course will run. There is no negative marking system. This is a tentative plan, and there can be some changes. You will have to stay connected on Canvas platform to access the real-time changes in it. Please keep visiting the platform once you register yourself. How to register, I have put the link of this course in the description, and the course code even mentioned in the description. Please go in the description and see and register for this course. As you can see, in India there are many government circulars who are saying that in-service training is very much compulsory for the teachers. So this course will definitely help you to complete your 32 hours of training, and you can show that certificate to the submit to the school. So school teachers, student teachers around the globe are invited to join this course developed by SP Mandali, Tilak College of Education, Pune, India. In case of you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section, so we will answer of that all the questions, and all the very best to join and to complete this course. It's called Cyber Smart Teacher.